Do you think the PMP exam is all about memorizing definitions? Adorable. It's actually about proving you can manage chaos, deadlines, and people all at once without losing your sanity. Fun, right? In this video, I want to discuss what you can expect for your PMP exam. In 2025, the PMP exam still focuses on three big areas: people, process, and business environment. In order to pass your exam, you will need to reach target for each of these three areas. If there is one area below target, you will fail. But here's the twist for 2025. There's even more emphasis on agile thinking and real-world scenarios. It's less about memorizing and more about thinking like a project manager. You know, the one who stays calm when everyone else is spiraling. So, the PMP exam gives you 180 questions in 230 minutes. Basically, a marathon for your brain. You'll need some serious time management superpowers to get through all 180 questions. Don't worry though, I've got you covered. In another video, I'll share some clever tips and tricks to help you stay cool and on track during the PMP exam. So, make sure you subscribe to this channel. The good news? You do get 2 breaks, about 10 minutes each, one after every 60 questions. Perfect time to stretch, breathe, and question all your life choices so far. But remember, you can't read or review any notes or books during these 2 breaks. Reading the PMBOK Guide, 7th edition, is a great start. But let's be honest, it's not enough to pass the PMP exam. Taking an official PMP exam prep does not help you much in passing exam. You've got to train your brain to think like a real project manager. That means listening to up-to-date PMP training, like what you'll find right here on this channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll be sharing tips, tricks, and bite-sized lessons that'll help you tremendously on your PMP journey. Passing the PMP doesn't just give you a certificate to hang on the wall. It gives you instant credibility as a real project leader. You'll walk into meetings with more confidence, more respect, and yes, a paycheck that's looking a little healthier. It's like leveling up your career to project manager, level 99. You've unlocked new powers: stakeholder management mastery, deadline tamer, and the ultimate skill, keeping calm when everything's on fire. Plus, let's be honest, saying I'm PMP certified just sounds cool. It's your professional badge of honor, with bragging rights included. So if you're serious about becoming a certified project manager and earning higher salary, start today. Like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's get you PMP ready, one doodle at a time.